Okay, today we're going to find objects by following and giving directions. These first two Lego men are beside each other. And the little black man in this picture here, he is under the white yellow Lego man. Okay, in this little video we can see lots of objects, lots of pieces of Lego, and we're going to learn to use some words with these pieces of Lego. The first thing is that this blue piece of Lego here is underneath this army camo man. Underneath him. This Lego man here, he is next to an orange piece of Lego. He is next to him. They are next to each other. This white piece of Lego here is above this Lego man with the sword gun. This Lego man over here at the moment, he is outside of the picture. He is not a part of the picture yet. He is outside. This red piece of Lego here is right in the very middle of our picture. This orange piece of Lego is between this one and this object. So this orange Lego is in between. That's another word for in the middle of, in between. Another word that we might be using is on top of. I'm going to shift this Lego man, and it's going to shift all the other green things, but that's okay. We're going to put him on top of the red piece of Lego. On top of. Some other things we're going to learn this week are to move in different directions, like forward, backward, jump, turn left and turn right. If we were going to move forward, we might see this sign. That means go forward. This sign here means go backwards. When we see this sign here, oh, that's not very clear, is it? Hang on a minute. If we see this sign here, that means jump. This sign here, I'm going to do it over here where there's a bit more room. This one here means turn left. There should be a nice little arrow there for you. And this one here, going the other way, with a little arrow, that means turn to the right. We're going to be doing this with our light bot this week, so you might have already recognised some of these little signals or signs, sorry. Okay.